Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is an important update for all GATE 2024 aspirants that IISc Bangalore has released its official website for GATE 2024, which is gate2024.iisc.ac.in. When you will go to this official website, you can see whatever the changes made by IISc Bangalore. Few changes has been made by IISc Bangalore. When we go to the first of all, the change number 1. Till now in GATE 29 papers were there, but now GATE 2024 will have a total of 30 test paper. So one paper has been added as a new one. Okay, now the second is that we are expecting GATE online application portal will be open by 24th August 2023. The last date of this one is 29 September of regular registration. This will be the closing date. End of extended period will be 13th October. If you want to go for the more details, you can check here the all dates. So it is expected last week of August online application process. Okay, closing date is 29. The closing date of extended online registration with late fees is 13th October. And here modification in GATE 2024 application is possible between 7 to 11th November. Okay, admit card will be released on 3rd January. You can see GATE 24 examination as the dates are mentioned, but the detail means on which date which paper is there, it is still not disclosed. So you can see 3rd, 4th, 10th and 11th February 2024 GATE exam will be there. Okay, now more dates are here. You can check for the application portal, response sheet, everything is there. Now when we go to here again to the home, we can see which new paper has been added. So here you can see as an important announcement, new test paper on data science and artificial intelligence DA has been added. Okay, and nowadays AI is just a hot cake, so that's why this is a very good initiative by IISc Bangalore. So we can see here who can apply for this new paper. So you can go to new two paper combination, you can check here. So here we can see who can apply. When I talk about first of all the civil students cannot apply for the DA new paper. Mechanical students, yes, here it is DA is mentioned, so they can apply for this one. When we talk about the CS students can also apply for the DA. Same here as in the DA, all the streams are mentioned: CS, EC, EE, MA, ME, ST and XC. When we talk about the EC students can also fill as a secondary paper for DA. Same for the EE students also. But IN students cannot apply for the DA. Okay. So here we can see when we go to the paper pattern, as the paper pattern is earlier only, it is same as earlier. They are having total 3 hour. Okay. English language will be English, CBT. Okay. We can see here number of subjects now 30. The section will be general aptitude plus candidates selected subject. It will be MCQ, MSQ and NAT as earlier. MSQ will be there again. Here we know that one option can correct, 2, 3, 4 can also correct here. NAT is a numerical answer type where you need to put the data values. Okay, MCQ where you are having only one correct answer. Now here the general aptitude weightage is 15 marks, engineering mathematics is 13 marks and other papers having 72 marks weightage. Alright, so this we can see all the details are same here earlier. Now when we go to the two paper combination, as I told you already, examination schedule I told you already. Here when you want to go to the test paper, this you can see this is newly added data science and artificial intelligence. The paper code is DA. Okay, one more changes has been made by the IISc Bangalore. We can see in application fees for female candidates SC, ST and PWD per test it is 900 rupees from 24th August to 29th September, means in regular period. If you will fill here in the extended period 30th September to 13th October, it will be 1400 rupees. All other candidates including foreign nationals, it will be 1800 rupees. Earlier it was 1700 rupees. So the fees is extended, you can see. And here in the extended period it will be 2300. One more changes is here. If you want to if you want to make any changes after the application submission, then you need to pay here. You can see charges for changes or modification in Get24 application. This is the window in which you can make changes, 4th to 11th November. Okay, so if you want to go in the changes, you can see the fee charges 500, 500, 500 plus 900. So everything you can see here. So before, means better to go with this one, you should avoid this one. Okay, please fill your details, all the important things very carefully, so you will not need to pay this one. Okay guys, so try to avoid the changes, try to avoid the mistakes in application submission form. Okay, so this is all about the changes. You can see as the dates is not disclosed now. Okay, we can see we are expecting that it will be start from the 24th August, maybe 25th August is also possible. So you need to be careful here from the filling form. Try to fill your form before the last date. Alright guys, so if you want to go for the more details, you can check the official website which is released by IISc Bangalore. Alright guys, stay connected to IIMS GATE Academy. Thank you.